So we learned that we can use synthetic substitution in conjunction with the remainder theorem to find the value of a function. And let's put this into a somewhat real life situation. The function c of x is equal to 2.46 x cubed minus 22.37 x squared plus 53.81 x plus 548.24. That function can be used to approximate the number in thousands of international college students studying in the United States in X years since 2000. How many international college students can be expected to study in the U.S. in 2015? And we'll talk about this a little bit more later, but let's see. All right, let's break this down. Well, we got a function equation. We're told that this is a number in thousands. That's going to come up when we get to the end of this. And we're talking about where x in this c of x is the number of years since 2000, and we're trying to make a prediction based on this model what the number of international students would be. And now, since we're in 2018 when I do this, we can actually determine how good this model was in 2015. So in this case, x is going to equal, we're trying to find the value of c of 15 years since 2000. So we're going to use synthetic substitution. I'm going to put 15 in the box. Then I'm going to write down these coefficients and the constant, and we're going to go from there. So we got 2.46 minus 22.37 plus 53.81. I'm anticipating these numbers to get a little bit large. And then 548.24. Draw a line. Didn't leave myself a lot of room, but hey, whatever. We're going to bring down to 2.46, and we're going to multiply that by 15, and that comes to 36.9. I guess that's 36.9 even. Yeah, okay. So negative 22.37 plus 36.9 is 14.53. And we're going to multiply that by 15. And 15 times 14.53 is 217. You can tell I've already worked this problem out. And 95.95. We add 5381 and 217.95. And that comes to 27176. And we're going to multiply that by 15. And that 15 times 271.76 is 4,076.4. And we add that to the 548.24, and that comes to 4,624.64. Now remember, this is the number in thousands. So if I want to get the actual, what this prediction of what the international college students would be in the U.S. in 2015, I've got to move this decimal 3 places to the right. And when I do, this estimate would be 4,624,640 international college students. Now I got curious. I wanted to know how many international college students there really were right now, or at least the latest data, and that's from 2016-2017 academic year, which is what, two years ago. And there was basically 1.18 million, which tells us what? This model was faulty. Sometimes your models are bad. And when you find out your models are bad, guess what you got to do? You got to change your model. So there were some factors that they were anticipating that did not, or maybe some did come into play that vastly reduced their predictions. Tells you one other thing. When people tell you what's going to happen out in the future, they don't know. They may be right, they may not be. In this case, they were about 2.8 million off. Think about it. But hey, we use synthetic substitution to find a function value. And that's really all we care about right now.